Yerevan, on some shopping street. And this is like the key to the city of Yerevan, the capital city. And it's a Sunday and it's very calm, Sunday morning, so I'm gonna check it out. I'm here at Republic Square, very big square, very nice also. Fountains in the back. Exploring the capital city of Armenia. The Armenian flag over Republic Square, Yerevan. I'm here at the famous cascade, the stairs of Yerevan. I'm gonna go up, and from there I will have a great view over the whole city. I'm here at this cascade. These are the big wine bottles representing the Armenian wine. It's also a wine country here. In all the restaurants that I've passed, I've seen a lot of publicity for the local Armenian wines. Tutaj jeszcze więcej butelek armeńskiego wina, Armenian wine bottles. Alright, going up. Er is zelf een roltrap binnen in de cascades. Some kind of art exhibition here inside the cascades. Yeah, it's sweating, it's very hot here in Yerevan. So I'm inside the cascades. This is the thing. I was walking outside on these stairs and now I'm inside on the 3rd floor. Here I actually am. I'm here on top of the cascades in Yerevan. This is the view over the city. I got the sun actually at the wrong side to make this film, but yeah. I don't know how many stairs there are, but it's quite a lot, it's hot. So yeah, nice view, really. Over there are the cascades. I came this way, and then here to this concrete building with a big statue. I'm going to see what this is all about. This must be some kind of independence monument. Dat is hier het monument van Mother Earth, Motherland Monument, de Mother Earth Monument, Moeder Aarde Monument hier in Yerevan, Armenië. In Yerevan am night at the Cascade Monument, and at night everything is very nice with the lights. Yerevan Republic Square by night. Lots of people because they have the day off today because tomorrow is Armenia Day. It's like the beginning of a long weekend. This is Yerevan, Armenia, and the monument in front of me is the one of the Armenian genocide. Ik sta hier binnen in het genocidemonument, achter mij de eeuwige vlam. I'm standing here in Khor Verap, jestem tutaj w Khor Verap. Ik ben hier in Khor Verap in Armenië. En daar ziet je dus typische Armeense kerken. En dan ga je een keer een bezoekje brengen. Ginter heb je de Mount Ararat, de bekendste berg die wel aan de Turkse zijde staat. En daar heb je de typische dorpjes en wijngaarden van Armenië, want Armenië is gekend om zijn Armeense wijn. Hallo, Khor Verap village in Armenië. I'm here in Goris in Armenia, in a restaurant, Soviet style restaurant. This is the Soviet flag of Armenia. Back in the days it was like this. And this doesn't really look like a restaurant, it looks like a little museum. Lenin on the wall. And Soviet memorabilia. The food here, the shazlik food, is being prepared with a hair dryer. Very interesting barbecue. Kijk een keer, popatrzcie na ten view over Goris city. Over Goris. Cows on the graveyard here in Goris, Armenia. So here is a graveyard where a lot of young people died in the Karabakh war. Patrz, tu nawet pies przyszedł przyglądnąć krowy. Jak krowy tu ostatnią trawę jedzą na cmentarzu. Goris, Armenia. Pigs walking around freely on the streets of Goris.
Оля, быстро!
Big świnia. Dwie świnie.
Kebab. Оля. Оля.
I'm here at the Tatev monastery in Armenia, checking out the views, mountain views down below. Inside the Tatev monastery. Tutaj wygląda jak mały labirynt. Tam ktoś stoi. Okay, gonna go out here. From this hole, from stage'u wychodziły tutaj. The secret hole, yeah. To get outside the monastery.
The holes are so good. You can climb it easily.
Standing here outside the Tatev monastery in Armenia. Just visited, and then I'm gonna hike down these mountains here. It's really nice. So yeah, pool is in Armenia at the Tatev monastery. Yeah. Yeah. No jak tutaj wpadnę, to jest po mnie. Dopiero przechodziłem tego mostu tutaj, just crossed this bridge here. Yeah. On our way to another cave city here in Armenia. There's really nice views, but yeah, the bridge is little bit tricky actually, because it like bends and it shakes. So yeah, on this wobbling bridge here in the middle of Armenia, well, not in the middle, it's actually close to Nagorno-Karabakh. I feel like Indiana Jones, like it's wobbling the whole time, waiting on Marco and his drone to come back, because we're filming the area from a drone up in the sky. Church. Visiting the Khor monastery here in Armenia. A lot of tourists. And it's surrounded by the mountains. of Garni here. I'm in Garni here, de temple, Garni Temple. Dus hier het een beter uitzicht van de Garni Temple. Tutai Armenia, here in Armenia, the Garni Temple, visiting it, Polmeetsworld, yeah, that's me. And what can I say? It's like the Russians say, it's krasiva, it's really nice. Armenia Day, Independence Day in Armenia, the whole square is filled with people. There's music going on. Somebody waving there with a big Armenian flag. Look at all these people here. Like a few days ago, it was empty and now it's like full of Armenian people. The Independence Day of Armenia. So yeah, it's really great to be here on their day because this is something you don't always see. So to be here just at this moment when the Armenians having a party here, big party in Armenia, in Caucasus. Reporting live from Yerevan, Armenia Day. Look at all these fireworks. This is what you get on Independence Day here in Armenia, Yerevan, on the Republic Square. It's about to go off, it's about to go off.